We think ASHK is a very balancing school, and on two aspects. On academic, we see the teacher, they teach with their hearts, and also they're using different techniques to coach children, to motivate the students. Say for my daughter, the teacher actually see what she's good at. They find that she's good at writing good pieces, so they encourage her and motivate her to join the writing competition. And she made it, and she won a credit. And this is amazing because the teacher motivate her to learning something beyond the classroom setting. And on non-academic wise, we encounter a situation is when the children is not performing very well in terms of their behavior. ASHK teachers in the school definitely they take immediate action to let the student know what's wrong is going with them. And as a parent, we also get informed. So we all work together to help the student on their moral development. So overall, as a whole, we think ASHK is a very balancing school.